Hi, I'm back again now for the second look, and here with me is Anushka, my model, and I'll be using the Urban Color Eyeshadow Quad in Everlasting Fun. The best thing about these eyeshadows is you can use them wet or dry. Now, I will be using a little bit of water into the eyeshadows to give it that extra intensity. I'm going to be using the lightest color, which is the peach color, just to intensify her crease line. So I'm using this from the outside into the center of the eyelid and in a circular motion. I'm just building up the color from the outside to the inner corner. As you can see, this color has slight amounts of glitter in it. It's sparkly, it's great for the upcoming season, yet it's a really subtle, soft color. So all these colors which we're using in the quad are all crease proof and smudge proof. So I've worked it into my crease line. I'm going straight onto the other side. Starting from the outside, working my way into the center and then right into the inner corner of the eyes. So now once I have my beautiful peach color in place, I'm going to use the other eyeshadow quad for a highlight underneath the eyebrows. So this one is my Daring Smoky. I love this palette. So I'm using the light color here as a highlighter. So all these eyeshadow colors are safe for contact wearers. The eye doctors and the skin doctors have tested all these products and they've said it's safe for contact wearers and sensitive eyes. So I'm using it underneath the brow bones just to give it a lift and a slight amount in the inner corner. So I'm using it right underneath the brow bone for a highlight and on the inner corner just to open up the eyes, to make the eyes look brighter and bigger. So this is my water spray. I'm just going to spray my brush with a little bit of water. And I'm going to intensify this with a little touch of the blue. Now blue is the in color of the season. So I'm just using the eyeshadow from the outer half and working my way in. So this is going to create a really nice base color for my eyeliner, which I'll be applying just in a minute. So as you can see, the blue color has been intensified with the water. And I'm just blending it out just to soften up the edges. I'm just going to blend it through. I hope you can't see any sparkle on her cheeks. Okay, I'm going to start now with the eyeliner. This is the Urban Color Super Matte 16-Hour Stay Super Blue color. And I love this particular color because it just brightens up any makeup. The best thing about this eyeliner is it's got a super long grip and it's easy to hold. So for beginners who have trouble getting that perfect straight line, it's a great grip and it keeps the hand really steady on the face. So I'm starting from the middle this time and I'm working out to the outer edge. And I'm stopping a little short. Then I'm going back to the inner corner and I am connecting it. I'm just going to thicken this up a little bit more. So this is a classic line. I'm thickening it out just a little bit on the outer corner and just giving it a soft edge. The blue eyeshadow which I used underneath this blue liner has just given it a slight smoky touch to the eyeliner, and it's basically just enhanced it. I'm just loving the color and the glide of this eyeliner. Now I'm going straight on to the Urban Color Mascara. As you can see, it has a nice thick wand, so it's going to give me a lot of volume and length. The great thing about this mascara is it's a creme mascara, so be careful not to pump air into the actual mascara because it will dry up. And it's long lasting, it doesn't flake, and there's no fallout in this mascara. So have a look at that. See the wonderful volume which it's created on Anushka's lashes. Now I'm going on to the Urban Color Blusher, and this one's Sheer Glow. It's one of my personal favorites. It just gives a beautiful radiance, shine and glow on the cheeks. So I'm just using it right from the apples all the way up to the tops of the cheekbone. Now I'm using the Urban Color Gloss Lip Gloss. This is the color Fawn. This is my personal favorite. So have a look at this. It gives such a terrific shine on the lips. It looks so luscious and plump. Once again, the wand is really well shaped. It's easy to use. You can get into all the edges of the lips. And it just very smoothly glides onto the lips. Always start from the center and work your way to the edges. That way you can never overdraw the edges. And with gloss, I always find it easier if I leave just a millimeter of space from the edge. There we go. So pretty.